CYPEHVAC is an application for designing climate control systems for heating, air conditioning and ventilation. It can be used for drawing, designing, analysing and justifying air conditioning systems by entering equipment, connecting it using pipes and fittings, and distributing the air with ducts if necessary. As a result of the joining of the discontinued CYPEHVAC ductwork and CYPEHVAC hydronics programs, CYPEHVAC makes it easier to create models that can be integrated into various workflows. The application adapts to different schedules. It allows free modelling as well as the import of CAD documents, such as DXF or DWG, or even image or PDF files, which can be used as 2D templates. It also allows the incorporation into BIM workflows, using architectural or analytical models, such as load calculation results, as a reference, and generating highly detailed information models accordingly. Whatever the starting choice, we can choose to work in a simplified 2D environment or in a 3D environment without geometric constraints. Once a new job has been started, and if necessary, the reference documents have been incorporated, the working procedure will be the same. 1. Import work catalogues. The application allows working both with generic libraries, which can be customized if necessary, and with references to manufacturer products, thanks to the connection to the Open BIM database. 2. Enter the generation equipment and indoor emitters. 3. Connect the equipment by means of pipes and fittings. 4. If required, insert the air distribution equipment, ducts, fittings, and terminals. 5. Define the thermal loads, which may come from a design results file. 6. Analyze and check. 7. Export the results, drawings, diagrams, reports, and bills of quantities. Although the application is autonomous and adapts to traditional processes based on CAD documentation, the possibility of importing BIM models of architectural or analytical definition, such as thermal load models, simplifies the design process, generates coordinated models in real time, and facilitates the information required in the development of projects using this methodology. The different working alternatives will be presented in the following videos of this series.